Ningbo Jingwei System Technic Limited was early founded in 2003. After continuous efforts, Jingwei has become one of leader in industry, which offers flatbed cutting system, digital cutter, single-ply cutter, and the solution is applied in more than 100 countries and regions around the world. In 2021, a modern, intelligent new factory with a total investment of more than 1 billion yuan and a plant area of more than 47,000 square meters was completed in Ningbo High-Tech Park, aiming to build an advanced manufacturing base with international standards. Jingwei has abundant financial resources. As a professional intelligent cutting solution and digital system supplier, Jingwei has excellent teams who focus on technological innovation and product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running, and WEI has reached strategic cooperation with many international brands. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, Jingwei lead into advanced technology, modern equipment, and scientific management concept, and built several automatic industrial production lines, such as head assembly line, chassis assembly line, and cross-beam assembly line, which operate in an orderly manner. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got certificates such as CE certificate, ISO 9001, Kenya certificate, and so on. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.